This is part 2 of our lesson 6.2. And if we have a problem, an equation, such as a divided by -4, and let's say that that equals -9. So, my quantity A was divided into 4 groups. Those groups are negative. And there are -9 in each group. How can I figure out what A is? So you told me once. Can you tell me again? I multiply. So I'm going to multiply on both sides of my equal sign. What am I going to multiply by? My options are A, -4, or -9. I'm hearing a couple -4s. My back group over there, what do you think? -4, -9.
-9.
You think -9?
Yes,
So, if I multiply both sides by -9, this is what I get. -9 over -4 times -9a equals 81. Is that what I'm looking for?
No, can you try -4? Can you try -4?
You want me to try -4 instead?
Yeah, I think that'd be the right answer.
You think that one would be correct? Okay. So if I multiply this by -4 and this by -4, then this says that -4a over -4. Do those cancel out then? Yeah. Which is A? -9 times -4 is? Negative times a negative gives us a?
Positive.
Positive. 9 times 4 is?
36.
So then A is 36. Yes. Alright, check us in your book.
Okay.
This is example 4 on page 449. Are we right?
Yes.
We are?
Hold on.
Did we get it right?
Yes, we did. I see it.
So the textbook did it correctly?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, ladies and gentlemen, turn the page to 450 and look at example 5. I need someone to very loudly, but in an appropriate loud volume, please read for me example 5. Who's going to read example 5 for me? Yes, ma'am.
The distance the human travels in her car while driving 60 miles per hour for 3 hours is given by the equation d over 3 equals 60. How far did she travel?
D over 3 equals 60. Now, have any of you guys ever taken a road trip before?
No.
Yes?
I'm taking my same.
Okay. A road trip. Okay. The most important things that you want to know when you get into the car for a long road trip are, when are we going to get there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Google Maps can predict that for us. However, in the land before Google Maps, and we just had maps, we had to do the math ourselves. So, here's what I would like for you to do. Next time you take a road trip, use Google Maps. It'll tell you how many miles you travel. And I want you to calculate the time and see who's more accurate. Okay? Alright. Hold on. So, how do I solve D divided by 3 equals 60? I'm hearing some guesses. Can someone raise a hand and confidently tell me what they think? Yes, sir.
183 miles.
So you're trying to give me an answer, but my question was, what do I do? So your answer may be right, it's just not to the correct question. Yes, ma'am. I multiply. What do I multiply by on both sides? Yes, ma'am?
3.
Multiply by 3 on both sides. This gives us 3d over 3, which is d, because those cancel. 6 times 3 is what?
18.
18. Guess what, guys? We can just tag the 0 on at the end.
30, 180.
So our answer is 180 miles. So you were off by 3.
I said that.
Okay.
No idea.
Hold on, stay with me. Any questions about how we solved the equation? Yes, you do have questions? What's your question?
I'm going to get the 32.
Okay, so this was what we're given.
Go down. Go down. One more. I don't know how you got that far.
Okay, so this shows that I took this quantity, d divided by 3, and I multiplied it by 3. Because that's the same as d over 3 times 3. That's like multiplying by a fraction. You have to give an invisible denominator of 1, which is 3d over 3, and those cancel to give us d. Okay?
Nice.
We good? Okay? Thank you for asking. Any other questions? Thank you very much.